To my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to adjust the keyboard light on Mac. First, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Then select System Settings. A new window pops up. Scroll down to Keyboard. And here you can see multiple keyboard settings, including the keyboard brightness. And now I'm looking to my keyboard. I see it is dark, and this is the high, and now it is turned on the highest brightness, and this is the middle. Personally, since unfortunately with or on my M2 MacBook Air 15-inch screen, the button, or previously on my old MacBook, I was able to adjust this keyboard brightness directly from the keyboard button. But since they removed those buttons, now I put the keyboard brightness in the middle, so it doesn't because I think the keyboard brightness on the middle with the keyboard with this feature of adjusting the keyboard brightness in low light checked. And this is my setup for the keyboard light on this MacBook. This is how to adjust the keyboard light on MacBook. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.